Year 8 Linear Equation Exam Practice Question 24. Find the unknown number using equations. The answers might not be whole numbers. A. The product of 5 and a number is the same as the sum of 4 and twice the original number. So let's look at this first part. The product of 5 and a number. That means we've got 5 and we're timesing it by a number. I'll make as n. I don't know what it is. Is the same, so equal to, as the sum means add, of 4 and twice the original number. So the sum of 4 and twice the original number. So that gives me my equation of 5n equals 4 plus 2n. So the next thing I need to be thinking about here is I need to be getting my variable onto one side, which means I'm going to take away 3n from both sides. So I'll take away 3n from both sides. If I take away 3n from both sides, so not 3n, 2n, sorry, because I'm getting rid of 2n, that cancels out my 2n, and it leaves me with 3n on one side and 4 on the other. Now to get n by itself, I need to divide both sides by 3. So that leaves me with n is equal to 4 over 3. Let's look at the second question. The average of a number and double the number gives the same result. Okay, so the average of a number and double the number. So number is n and I'm doubling, so I'm timesing it by 2 of both of those. Gives the same result, and as average, so I'm dividing it by 2, as adding 1 to the original number and then multiplying it by 1/3. So then timesing by 1/3. So let's simplify this and work through this. So let's just put this down here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to simplify is rewrite this, but instead of saying times 1/3, that is the same as me saying I am dividing by 1/3. Knowing that, I'm going to work on getting rid of my fraction. So if I times both sides by 3, it cancels out my denominator on the bottom, because divided by 3 times by 3 cancels out. If I times both sides by 2, it cancels the dividing by 2 on the left hand side, and it just leaves me with the equation 3 in brackets n plus 2n in brackets is equal to 2 in brackets 1 plus n in brackets. So the next thing I want to think about here is I would like to get rid of my brackets. So the first thing I would like to do here is times 3 by n. Well, first, n plus 2n is 3n, so I'll change that to 3n. And 3 times 3n is 9n. And that is equal to 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times n is 2n. To get n onto one side, I'm going to take 2n away. So I'm going to take 2n from this side, and I'll take 2n from this side. That leaves me with 7n is equal to 2. Now, with n, I want to get 7 gone, which means I'm going to divide by 7. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7, and that will give me n is equal to 2 over 7.